How to change keyboard size on Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn on how we can change the keyboard size on Galaxy S25 series. But before we get started, to make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Changing the keyboard size on Samsung Galaxy S25 series is quite simple. Now let's say we're typing something, but the keyboard size is actually quite big for you or quite small because the phone itself is quite big. Now it's very simple to resize that. All you have to do is on your keyboard, if you're using a Samsung keyboard and not Gboard or other applications, right? Here you can see the three dots icon right next to your keyboard. Tap on the three dots icon. There you can see the option that says keyboard size. So go to keyboard size. Now from here, you can choose to make it taller or you can choose to make it shorter. So just depending on what you want, if you want to reset it, you can tap the reset button. You can even pinch this in, pinch that out. You can drag this to the top, drag this to the bottom, and resize it completely freely. This way you can resize keyboard. If you have any question, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.